Next up in our series of bath bomb demonstrations with our 3D bath bomb molds, we're going to be doing the graduation cap, and that consists of a bottom plate, an outside shell, and a top plunger. So we're going to begin by taking our bottom plate, sticking it down below, place your outer shell on top, and just begin lightly filling. Give it some shakes. You can make this as thick or as thin as you'd like. I usually fill it all the way up to the top so that it's flush with the top of the shell. And then I take the plunger, turn it over, stick it on the top, and we're going to give some presses. Press and turn. Take your spoon and give some taps around the outside shell. Taps on the top plunger. Remember, this is where we have our design, so if you want to tap a little bit extra to make sure that that mixture gets a little bit loose so you can unmold it and get those details, that's fine. Turn it over and a couple little light taps on the bottom plate. Straight up and off with our bottom plate. Now we're going to push up on the bottom of the plunger to get everything up and out of the shell. Take your cardboard and place it on the bottom and turn it over. And now we're going to come straight up and off with our top plunger and go slow because this is where your designs are. And there we've got a beautiful graduation cap, bath bomb. Thanks for watching today, guys. I'm going to link down below where you can find this and all of our other molds for sale on soap-chef.com.